That's what we said we were going to do. We have to fix that point. It's going to be Henry Paul off to Quick Kick.
Oh.
Terrible.
Oh.
He's got two.
Stay out the reverse. Inside. Oh. That was an interesting pass.
Both out.
And then Evan Paul takes over the lead. He's on a 45.06 or TQ with a 43.506. I've got high two on and opposite 42.505.
It wide in close. That's it. It was in close.
43.505.
Oh.
Wide. Too wide.
Everyone.
Oh.
It's first flip.
Oh.
No reverse, Evan.
Oh.
Oh, two-wheel slide. Well, just trying to go.
Yeah.
Okay, Evan is on a TQ page here, but this is a main, so TQ doesn't mean anything, but it's still nice to get.
Keep it going.
Oh.
You lost the draft there. You're too close to his bumper.
Oh, he's got to use it for his bumper.
Well, no, the draft for his corner again.
Especially that back one.
Yeah. He's not taking it wide enough there, that's why.
There we go.
He takes these two,
Oh!
he takes these two starts, but now they gotta take wide. Yeah.
There you go. I don't know if you want to put this one on YouTube.
Well, I can't even use full throttle, I don't think.
True.
Doing
Oh!
that.
Okay, we got 28 seconds remaining.
There you go, Ev.
Really?
There. Oh!
Okay, finish up your lap. Keep going. One second yet. Stay here, folks. We had 39, which is much better than the previous.